Welcome to my YouTube channel. So hey guys, I bought my friend like a birthday present. It was her birthday like last year December, so like it's a happy belated thingy. I bought her like a bag that she's been wanting, so I really hope she'll be happy. I lied to her saying she must come outside, something happened, so let me go out. I just hope she's happy, like I just hope it makes her happy, like, you know. So yeah.
Belated birthday.
Never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes me with the drama, unless you come in with the commas. Oh DJ, turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make him feel weaker. But to know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so innocent.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl tok-blavckchildtshegow, and this is Solo with Tshegow. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. And if you are new here, please do subscribe to be part of the SWT Fam, aka Solo with Tshegow family. You know the vibes. It's Tuesday and I choose vlogs.
If you got it, it ain't no question. Well, ain't no one forget you. No more than emotionally invested. So when you want my imperfection.
So hi guys, I don't know if you all can see me, but then yeah guys, my room is a mess, né? Like my room is a mess. I'm a mess. I'm tired, but then yeah, I'm just gonna show you like I'm so tired, but then I just want to do a haul of the things that I got today. No, yes, and guys, like I've been wanting this other tote bag. The reason I'm so heavy is that I've been wanting this other tote bag from Mr. Price, and I thought I won't find it because, like, you know, online is not like a go in store or something like that, right? So like I found it. Should I do the unboxing? Yeah, let me do the unboxing. It's not unboxing. Let me just show you, yes, and guys, let me just show you. Let me show you my new baby that I'll carry to class. Let me show you my new baby that to class. Guys, here's the bag. It's giving Ted big, even though it's not Ted big. That's why I wanted it. Because I can't afford tape bake. Not that I can afford, I have to save up for it if I want it. Here's the bed, guys. And it also has like this strip here. You can adjust it. You see?
What's up, G-Way? In the cut with my twin, we be vibing.
So guys, my storage is acting up, but then I haven't paid storage, so yeah. But anyways, like guys, I'm so happy right now with this one item. Like I've wanted this bag for so long, watching it. Like if you know Babiki, like there was a time she bought a bag similar to this from Mr. Price, and I was like, when I finally get it, and I'm so happy right now. Like I bought other things there, but then this is the star of the show. That's the star of the show. Big girl things, you know. Yeah, like a small girl, big girl. Anyways, yeah, let me show you what I also got. Yeah guys, I also got some other stuff. Guys, I'm happy with the stuff I got today. I also got this purple diary. Oh yeah. Guys, I don't know, like buying things for myself makes me so happy, and things that I want, like things that I've been wanting, and I finally get them now. I've been wanting a purple diary, but then because of other shops are so, but then Mr. Press got me, guys. I finally found a purple diary. So I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. I also found out how like I have a new style of earrings that suits me. I'm no longer like that little thing is what do they call them? I forgot those little earrings. I want this now. Earrings like, I'm so sorry guys. I was just gonna do like a haul without me talking, but then I'm so happy with the stuff that I got. It's little, but it means a lot to me. So yeah, this is the style that I love right now, and I can see that like this one suits me, so why not buy more, you know? So yeah, I got chicken licken with Coke. I ordered like Fanta orange, but then they gave me Coca-Cola. I don't know why. So yeah. Oh guys, me and my roommate got these Easter eggs for Bible study on Tuesday. Yeah, like we didn't tell anyone. It's gonna be a surprise to them. Like we're just gonna give them one Easter egg and a little cute verse, you know. So yeah, this is me and my roommate's work. So guys, let me eat now. I'm warming up my food. I'm going to drink like hot Coke because it's hot, and I don't want juice, I want cold drink, so I'm going to drink it. So guys, hey guys, welcome to another day of the vlog. It's Saturday today, and we just came back from the mall, right? Yeah, I went fridge hunting today, but I didn't get it, so I just bought it online at Macro. They say deliver by Wednesday, so hopefully yeah, it will come by Wednesday. Yeah, because I have to buy meat, and I can't buy meat before I buy a fridge. So yeah, I'm back now. I'm just going to buy food because I'm so tired, Shem. Like I'm so tired. I'm physically, emotionally, mentally drained. Like I'm drained to a point where like I can't even do eggs like on a stove. I don't have eggs, by the way. I have to go and buy the rest of the grocery on Monday. Sorry guys, because I'm not okay, as in like I'm all over the place, but then it's okay. Let me go buy food so that I can rest. Yeah.
Nanisintshaba zakho mama ndizobuya oledi ndikwakhela umusi wa
Hear my heart and make it clean. Open up my eyes to the things I've seen and show me how to love like you have loved me.
Okay guys, right now I'm doing the Easter egg thingy. Like I'm writing Bible verses on the note. Like yeah, I'm writing Bible verses on the note. Then we're gonna staple them to the Easter marshmallows. Yeah, it's the marshmallows. Yeah, Easter marshmallows. In my hair. Yeah guys.
Loved me. And break my heart for a praise.
Hi guys, welcome to another random day with Tshegofatso. I just came back from attending my lecture. My lecture was a 2-hour 30-minute lecture. I just came back right now. Guys, I'm just gonna wash dishes right now and I don't know what I'm gonna do after. Yeah. So hey guys, welcome to another random day in my life. Crash out session guys.
No, I'm still sad. It didn't work.
Guys, you know what? Like, I'm actually not okay. Like, last week Saturday, I told you all that I ordered a fridge online. You remember? I ordered a fridge online at Macro on Saturday. They said delivery was on Wednesday. Wednesday was when? Yesterday. Today it's when? It's Thursday. Tell me why my fridge hasn't come yet. Like, I paid you. Just give me my fridge. I paid you. I paid you. And it was nice. Guys, I'm having a mental breakdown.
Ah man, aqui chapo, senhor. Aqui chapo.
I don't know if it's a mental breakdown or it's an emotional breakdown. Guys, like, I don't wanna lie, man. Like, school is throwing hands. Like, school is throwing hands. I'm not even joking. Like, academically I'm at that part where that I'm at a part of a Nigerian movie.
Hey, long day, long life.
It's gonna be okay. Yeah, it's gonna be okay. It's fine. Hi guys, welcome to another random day of the vlog. As you saw me, my friend was braiding me and I'm done and it looks so good. It looks so good, and it was her first time like doing the designs, and she ate them up. Guys, I was already tired of my afro, so yeah, at least I just came here to show off my hairstyle. So bye. Hi guys, welcome to another random day of the vlog. I'm just gonna do this first. Like, my fridge finally came. Guys, my fridge finally came. Like, I'm just so happy right now, you know. It finally came. I'm going to write right now. I'll unbox it when I come back. Right now I'm off to write.
You are a son.
Good luck to me. May the Lord bless me, you know, coming out with a distinction, you know, the vibes. Yeah. May the Lord give me strength to pull out a distinction. Bye guys, see you when I come back.
That's what they say. Don't even understand my feelings for you, but I know good to actually live. I wanna give my all, but yes.
Guys, let's unbox my fridge. What's over now?